Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical health topic, kidney disease. Specifically, we're going to discuss 7 teas that can detoxify and repair your kidneys. Let me tell you a story about a condition that affects millions worldwide, yet often goes undetected until it's too late. Chronic kidney disease, or CKD, is a progressive disorder where your kidneys gradually lose their ability to filter waste and excess fluids from your body. It's a sneaky condition, with causes ranging from diabetes and high blood pressure to autoimmune disorders and chronic inflammation. Imagine waking up feeling fatigued, with puffy eyes and swollen ankles, and constantly needing to use the restroom. These are just a few of the alarming kidney disease symptoms that could signal your kidneys are in trouble. But what if I told you there are natural remedies that can help repair and detoxify your kidneys, giving you a fighting chance against the silent killer known as chronic kidney disease? By the time you start experiencing symptoms like fatigue, nausea, and difficulty concentrating, your kidney health may already be in trouble. And one of the most alarming signs? Proteinuria, the presence of excessive protein in your urine. This proteinuria can manifest in 4 different ways. 1. Glomerular proteinuria, where the tiny filters in your kidneys, called glomeruli, are damaged, allowing proteins to leak into your urine. 2. Tubular proteinuria, caused by a dysfunction in the reabsorption of proteins by the kidney tubules, leading to protein loss in your urine. 3. Overflow proteinuria, when the levels of certain proteins in your blood exceed your kidney's ability to reabsorb them, resulting in their excretion in your urine. 4. Mixed proteinuria, a combination of the above mechanisms, making it a complex condition to diagnose and manage. While medical treatment is crucial for managing CKD, doing these natural remedies at home can be a game changer. Now let's find out. What are these 7 teas that can detoxify and repair your kidneys? Number 7. Corn silk tea. Corn silk tea is an herbal tea made from silk-like strands that grow on the ears of corn. It has been utilized in traditional medicine for different purposes. It has diuretic effects, which may help increase urine production and facilitate the removal of excess water, salts, and toxins from the body. It has been traditionally used to support kidney function and alleviate symptoms associated with urinary tract infections, UTIs, and kidney stones. It helps reduce inflammation and soothe irritation in the urinary tract and contains antioxidants like flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which may help protect the body from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Some studies suggest that corn silk may help regulate blood sugar levels, potentially benefiting individuals with diabetes or those at risk. It also has a mild appetite-suppressing effect, which could assist in weight management when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. You'll need 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried corn silk. Add it to your teapot or cup and pour hot water over the corn silk. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. After steeping, strain out the corn silk pieces before drinking. Number 6. Parsley tea. Parsley tea is nutrient-rich and offers several health advantages. It acts as a natural diuretic, meaning it promotes increased urination. It reduces bloating and supports urinary tract health. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidant effects that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially alleviating joint pain, swelling, and certain skin conditions. The nutrients in parsley tea may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. It improves insulin sensitivity and aids in glucose metabolism. This tea is an excellent source of vitamin K, which is essential for bone strength and density. Regular consumption can reduce the risk of osteoporosis, especially in postmenopausal women. Grab 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh or dried parsley and place it in your teapot or cup. Pour hot water over the parsley and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the parsley to release its flavors and beneficial compounds into the water. Once it's done, strain the parsley before enjoying your cup of parsley tea. Number 5. Marshmallow root tea. Marshmallow root has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its soothing and protective properties. It offers several potential health benefits beyond just supporting kidney health. This tea has demulcent and mucilage properties, which means it can help coat and soothe irritated mucous membranes that provide relief to dry coughs, sore throat, and symptoms of bronchitis. The soothing and protective effects of marshmallow root tea can also benefit the digestive. Helps relieve indigestion, heartburn, and acid reflux, protecting the lining of the stomach and intestines from irritation and inflammation. It also contains antioxidant compounds that are beneficial for skin health and reduce irritation in conditions like eczema and dermatitis. As mentioned earlier, marshmallow root tea can soothe inflammation and irritation in the urinary tract, which supports kidney health and provides relief from bladder discomfort and pain from the symptoms of urinary tract infections, UTIs. For marshmallow root tea, you'll need 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried marshmallow root. Add to your teapot or cup and pour hot water over the root. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the marshmallow root to infuse into the water. And that's it! Your fresh marshmallow root tea is ready to drink. Number 4. Nettle tea. Nettle tea is a powerhouse of essential nutrients, and diuretic anti-inflammatory effects are advantageous for those with CKD. By reducing inflammation and promoting fluid elimination. Nettle tea may help alleviate some of the symptoms associated with CKD and potentially slow its progression, including vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins, and minerals like iron, calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Drinking nettle tea helps ensure you get a good intake of these vital nutrients. It is rich in sulfur and silica, which are important for healthy hair, nails, and skin. It promotes stronger hair, reduces hair loss, and improves skin elasticity and overall complexion. It also has natural antihistamine properties that can help symptoms of allergies, such as sneezing, itching, and runny nose. It provides relief during allergy seasons or for those with environmental allergies. Some research suggests that nettle can regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. This makes nettle tea potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. It can also help reduce inflammation in the blood vessels, a risk factor for heart disease. You just need 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaves and place them in your teapot or cup. Slowly pour the hot water over the nettle leaves in your teapot or container. Give it a gentle stir and then cover it up, letting the mixture sit for around 5 to 7 minutes. This will allow the nettles to infuse their nutrients and flavor into the water, and there you have it, a fresh, vibrant cup of nettle tea ready to drink. Number 3. Dandelion root tea. Dandelion root tea's diuretic properties can be particularly beneficial for individuals with CKD, who may experience fluid retention and swelling. By promoting increased urine production, dandelion root tea can reduce the workload on kidneys and potentially slow the progression of CKD. This tea is traditionally used as a natural liver tonic. It contains compounds that may help protect the liver from damage and support its detoxification processes. Its greens and roots are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reduce oxidative stress, and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. It also has mild laxative properties, which can help promote healthy digestion and regularity. It may also help relieve bloating, constipation, and other digestive issues. It is a good source of calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Some research suggests that dandelion may have natural diuretic and appetite-suppressing properties, which can provide weight loss efforts. Grab 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root and place it in your teapot or cup. Pour hot water over the root and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the dandelion root to release its beneficial compounds into the water. Once done, strain out the root pieces and enjoy your dandelion root tea. Number 2. Ginger tea. Ginger tea's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects of ginger make it a valuable ally for individuals with CKD. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are significant contributors to kidney damage, and ginger may help mitigate these factors, potentially slowing the progression of CKD. It has long been used to aid digestion and relieve gastrointestinal issues, reduce nausea and vomiting, bloating, and gas that relaxes the intestinal tract, for smoother digestion that improves appetite. Ginger contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds, such as gingerol, that can help reduce inflammation, reduce muscle soreness after exercise, and relieve menstrual cramps. Ginger has natural antimicrobial and antiviral properties that can help strengthen the immune system and improve blood sugar regulation. It may help increase feelings of fullness, boost metabolism, and reduce inflammation, which contributes to healthy weight management. You'll need a 1 to 2 inch piece of fresh ginger root and peel it, then grate or thinly slice the ginger. Place it in your teacup and pour hot water on it. Let the ginger boil for 5 to 10 minutes to allow those flavors to infuse. You can add a teaspoon of honey or a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. When it's done steeping, strain out the ginger pieces before drinking. Before proceeding with number 1, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea, in addition to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, green tea has been studied for its potential benefits in slowing the progression of CKD. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant called catechins, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to various health issues. Caffeine and L-theanine have been shown to have positive impacts on brain function, improve focus and cognitive performance, reduce stress levels, and lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It also supports weight loss and weight management by boosting metabolism. Increasing fat burning and suppressing appetite promote feelings of fullness that increase energy levels, which can contribute to better physical activity. Here are some tips on how to prepare green tea. Grab a teaspoon or 2 of high-quality green tea leaves and place them in your teapot or cup. Now, heat some water to around 80 degrees Celsius, just before boiling. Once the water is heated, gently pour it over the tea leaves. Let the tea steep for 2 to 3 minutes, but no longer, or it might get bitter. After steeping, strain out the leaves before enjoying your green tea. It is better to choose an organic green tea like Sencha, Japan's most popular green tea variety, known for its vibrant green color and refreshing taste. It's important to note that while this tea offers many potential benefits, it should not be considered a substitute for medical treatment or a balanced diet. As with any beverage, it's best to consume teas in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, to ensure it's safe to consume regularly. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this valuable information to help other people, especially those who have chronic kidney disease. Stay healthy and active. See you in my next video.